sirens that they just put in. They are loud as heck. Suckers are loud. Wellen, I'm not sure the model number on that one. They replaced.
This has been a test of the St. Louis County Emergency Outdoor Warning Siren System. This was only a test.
Dude, that scared me at first. I've never heard that. I've heard of them before, but I did not know they talked. I guess if they're just speakers, they can run anything through them, but I have never heard those things talk before. That scared me at first. Cool. We got talking tornado sirens up here in Missouri now. I thought they were just down in Texas.